Here we have an early 60s, I'd say maybe 62 or 63, Volvo PV544 with the B18 four-cylinder engine, 1778 cc's. This car obviously is going through restoration, and you know, for a car this age, it looks remarkably in good shape. There doesn't appear to be a whole lot of rust. It looks like there was some surface rust here, and looks like it's getting ready for painting. The interior looks very good. These cars always reminded me of the 48 Ford, just shrunken a bit. Always liked the dash too. Nice looking dash, 4-speed manual. Some auxiliary gauges there. These cars sure had a reputation for being rugged. And in my collection I have one of these taillights, Volvo taillights. This is a great car to work on. Sporty, practical, neat car.